Okay, today my name is Wilfred Asari. Today I'm going to teach you a second app that you can use to make money. So let's start. So let's go to Chrome. Chrome. So if after you go to Chrome, let's go to Chrome. Then search. You will search honey gain, honey gain. So you click on the first one, this one. You click on it. Then you press this one, download for Android. You press download for Android. This one. Download for Android. Yeah, download anyway. So it is downloading. It is downloading to download. So it is downloading. So let's wait for it. Please. After still we are waiting for it. Okay, it have come. Open. So this has to be done. Press install. So it is installed right now. So after it's installing, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe. So let's wait for it. So you press open. So this app, these people, it's a company. They'll use your data, and a month they'll pay you at least $20 a month. They'll pay you $20 a month, and this is not fake. It's a passive income. It's real. Everything they say. So you read their terms and conditions. After you read their terms and conditions, then you press agree to terms of use. So you press agree to terms of use. They said welcome to honey gain. So you read say how honey gains work. So if you want to skip, read the introduction. You read. If you want to skip the introduction, so me, without not wasting my time, I'll skip the introduction. Let me see. Use mobile data. It if turned off, honey gain will work only on Wi-Fi. So yes. So you press done. So if it's turned off, honey gain will work on Wi-Fi. So it will be. Let's wait for it. So it will be like this. So you sign up. It will be like this. So sign up. When you sign up, that's when they can pay you through. They'll get your information and pay you. So you sign up with Google. Oh, something went wrong. So okay, then I'll sign up with Facebook. So at the top here, it will show to show that come back. Now I can't create the honey gain. So first they said email. They said email. This is the email. This one. Email. That's the email. This one. So Wilfred. So this is it. And password. So you add your password. Then you sign up. You said email is already used. So I, I've used my email already. So yours you must to sign up and create. So here it will be counting. Now I've gotten 1 second. So it is done. Thank you. But please remember to subscribe to my channel. Email. Okay, so to subscribe. Have you seen that red subscribing button? Press it on. Press it.